Read me.
Is technology harmful to children? The impact of technology on children can be both positive and negative, depending on the type of technology, the amount of time spent using it, and the age and development of the child. While technology can provide educational opportunities and entertainment, excessive use can negatively affect children's social skills, physical health, and cognitive development. It can also expose them to inappropriate content and cyberbullying. Therefore, it's important for parents to monitor and limit their children's screen time and ensure that they are engaging in other activities, such as outdoor play and face-to-face interactions. Additionally, parents can use parental controls and filtering tools to limit their children's exposure to harmful content.
3, 2, 1, go.